And today we're going to be checking out this Shark RC car. That's right, this is an RC car that lights up, makes smoke, and it looks just like a shark. Let's open it up and take a look at it and see what you're going to get. And here it is. Check out this dude. If you guys don't know me, you should know that I love RC cars. I review quite a lot of them, and this one is awesome. Check out this monster truck shark. How cool is this guy? It's got a little port on the top where you put the water in to turn the smoke on, because it'll blow vapor out of the back. Look like a jet engine. Let's see what else we get. Super cool remote control and an accessory pack. And inside you get a little water bottle for filling up your shark, 2 batteries, twice the fun, a charger, and a screwdriver for installing your battery. So what we need to do is we're going to put some water in this guy, we're going to turn him on, and we're going to check him out. Okay, so we got some remote batteries. It takes 2 AA's. We installed one of these batteries in the bottom here with the screwdriver, and now we're ready to test this thing out. We're going to turn on the controller. It lights up. How cool. And now we're going to turn on the truck itself. And let's see what happens. Now you do have 3 different functions. You have light, music, and mist, or we'll call it jet power, on the remote right here. So let's go ahead and try the light function. And you can see it kind of blinking. Let me kill this big light. There you go. Now you can see it a little better. It's flashing, off, solid, blinking, flashing, off. So that's your different light modes. I don't know how charged this battery is. Maybe I should have charged it first. But check it out. It's got good power, especially for a little one. This thing will be off-road capable. You'll be able to go through grass, dirt, maybe some light mud. I wouldn't go underwater with it. It's not waterproof, but it's definitely full of fun. Now let's try the music. Let's see what that sounds like. That's a pretty popular song. They got the TikTok songs in here. Very cool. Now, the feature we've been waiting for. We're going to go ahead and take the little water bottle and put some water in here. Whoops. Let's go ahead and activate. Dude, look at that. What little one's not going to love the music playing RC Shark? How cool is this? Very cool. Fully functional RC. As you can see, you have forward, reverse, you have left and right. So, very nice RC for that RC enthusiast in your house. Perfect for kids and little ones wanting to get started in the hobby. And it says 8 and older, but my 3-year-old drives these and he is going to love this one. As a matter of fact, let's go get him and see what his reaction is. Oh, don't look. All right, so I went and got my little man Colty. Say hi.
Hi.
And this is his surprise. Are you ready to see it?
Yeah.
All right, let's see what you think about the Shark RC truck. What do you think?
Yeah.
Is it cool?
And then look at me do.
I know, the wheels turn. You want to see what else it does?
Yeah.
Watch out the back. Look. Is that cool?
Smoke.
Uh-huh. Now look what else it does. You ready? Listen.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. And listen to this song. What do you think, dude? You gonna turn the smoke back on?
No.
Oh, and look. It just lit up. It's got lights on it. Look at it. It's blinking.
I want the song it was.
Do you want to go drive it?
It was the song I was in.
Oh, okay. That one? Oh, he loves the music. So there you go. Awesome little beginner RC car. Great toy for the little ones. Christmas season is coming. Go ahead and get yours now.
Turkey.
We hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.